Hey everyone, what a ride. I hope you've been able to follow along well and also enjoyed watching all of the videos. So what are the next steps for you guys after watching these videos? Well, as you probably saw before, practice, practice, and even more practice. No matter how good of an artist you currently are or are on track to be, practice is one of the most important parts of any skill. One important part to add into this is to make sure you find ways to enjoy yourself along the way too. Draw and animate things you like and try new techniques or styles to keep things interesting. Look up old and new artists that are using your medium or using another medium to see if you can give their style and subject matter a go as well. At the end of the day, experimentation is one of the top things to look into when growing a skill, especially a creative one. Watch YouTube videos on your industry and art skill, look through social media for tips and tricks, listen to podcasts, and guess what? If you want to become an animator, you're going to have to watch hundreds of animated TV shows and films, whether they are in your style or not. Whilst practicing, it's important that you also think about what sort of art piece you would like to get completed and added to a portfolio for industry professionals to see. Maybe even find some films, galleries, or medium specific showcases that you can use as a theoretical thing to aim for and try and make some portfolios to match their style and ready yourself for a portfolio based pitch to get involved in that team, gallery, or showcase. This will be good practice for when you eventually start looking into the next step. Which is, once you think you have reached a level you are happy with, you can use social media, job listings, and word of mouth to grow your contacts in a safe way and to find others who are in the industry you are interested in. Ask them professional and career specific questions, ask for tips or for any advice on getting work placements. Also, guess what? The first next step could be asking questions in the comment section below. So I wish you all the best and hopefully I'll see your artwork somewhere in the future. This has been fun and thanks for watching this 10-part mini-series on the basics of art and animation in Krita.